Okay guys, so far so good. Let's do the let's learn the step number 9 and 10. So at the end of the step number 8, you came back completely and you're in this position, which is a good position to start the second step. Now the music is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Observe this time the rap has changed. The flow of the rap has changed. It is not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Cool. Let's learn the step number 9. You are at this position. The 1 is just 1. Okay? You are here, you do a 1. You just use your neck and take your head towards the left and it becomes a 1. Okay? The 2 is, now you take the body towards the left. 2. You took your upper body towards the left. So it becomes a 1, 2. See, you use your leg, you twisted your knee and you gave it this motion. Okay? So the 1, 2 of the step 9 becomes 1, 2. Now, 1, 2, 3. As if there's a suitcase lying on the ground. You pick it up, you hold it, take a 1, you pick it up and go. Okay? So you are in this position, you hold the suitcase 1, you lift it up and you go. Okay? Cool? Let's do the step number 9 in counts. With me guys, come on. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Easy? Awesome. Let's do it again. With me. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Cool. Okay guys, step number 10. Again, the rhythm is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. At the end of the step 9, you were in, you're 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You were in this position, okay? Now do a 1, 2. You take your leg back, you do 1 and 2. You have to come in a bend. It is just not a normal coming back and standing like this. You have to bend. So the 2 should end here. Okay? So the step 10 becomes 1, 2. The 1, 2 of the step 10. Okay? Now the 1, 2, 3. Okay? So we just get up and do a hit right, hit left, hit right and come straight. Okay? Let's do this again. The 1, 2, 3 of the step 10 in counts. With me. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3. Cool? Awesome. Let's do the step number 10 in music. So, with me guys. Sorry, in counts. Come on. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Easy? Awesome. Now, let's do the step number 9 and 10 in music. Guys, awesome. So we are done with the step number 10. We are going good so far. Now let's start with the step number 11. So at the end of the step number 10, you hit, you come at this position. Now there's a basic hip hop step. You do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's do it slowly, okay? You do a 1, you lift your left leg, touch your right arm, you do a 1, 2. So you switch the legs, take your right leg away and with your right leg, you take your arm away also. So it becomes a 1, 2. Okay? It becomes a 1 and 2. Similarly, it's a 3 and 4. Okay? Cool. Let's do the 1, 2, 3, 4 of the step number 11. With me guys, we do 1, 2, 3, start. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And there's a 5. 5 is nothing, just you have to turn yourself towards the side, left side, okay? Because the 11th step is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? See, what is happening is the rap is changing. the way he changes the rap, rider changes his rap, we have to change our moves. So the rhythm is changing. Remember, we are not dancing on beats this time. We have got the rhythm out of the rap. So previously the music was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then it became 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And now it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At this step. Okay? Let's do the step number 11. We're at this position. We do a 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5. Okay? Awesome. Now at this position, we start the step number 12. You do a 1. So see, normally you have to actually come to this position. So you can normally do a 1 and 2. Just take your hand forward and pull yourself in. Okay? So it becomes a 1 and 2. It is simple, I know. But if you give it a waving look like 1 and 2. So you use both of your hands like 1 and 2. Okay? Looking better than the normal one? Cool. So the step number 12 from this position becomes a 1 and a 2. Okay? Cool. Now the next is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you see the step 12 is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again a change. So we'll start here. We do a 1, 2. We do a 1, 2. Just take your hands. I'll show you from this position. You do a 1. Just normally lift both of your arms up in the air. So at this position you do a 1. You do a 2. That's it. You do a 3. You cross and you come here 4. Let's do it again a bit slow. We're at this position. You do a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Again, with me, come on. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Let's do the step number 12 in count. With me, guys. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool? Awesome. Now, let's do the step number 11 and 12 in counts. Then we'll do this in music. With me. 1, 2, 3, start. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5. 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Let's do this in count again. With me. 1, 2, 3, start. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 3. 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Let's do the step number 11 and 12 in music. Okay guys, let's get started with the step number 13. At the end of the step 12, you were at this position. Now, the 13th step has to be very clean because as soon as you come to this position, you have to go for the step number 13. And it is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So the 1 of the step number 13 is you do a 1. You're trying to run towards your right. As you see in the cartoon animated movies, you do a 1. Okay? You do a 1. You turn 2, 3. Okay? You 1, you 2, 3. Okay? Cool. Let's do it again. Observe closely. I try to run. 1. I switch to 3. Okay? Doing the same thing towards the left. It becomes a 4, 5, 6. Okay? Cool. It becomes a 4, 5, 6. Cool. Let's do the step number 30 in count. The count is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. With me. Come on. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Easy? Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Let's do this thing in music. So, we are left with the 4 steps. The last 4 steps all are similar. Only the difference is we do a step towards the right, the next towards the left, the next towards the front, and the last towards backwards, okay? Cool. So, the entire 4 steps are on the beat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay? Cool. So we are at this position. You do a 1, 2, 3. You kick, you close, stretch. And you use your upper body and the left foot to give you a hopping look. So the overall step becomes 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do it again. With me. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3. And doing the same thing towards the left, starting with your left leg becomes a 1, 2, 3. Doing the 13th step in front becomes a 1, 2, 3 and a 1, 2, 3. So the only difference is the last step. The change is you do a 1, you turn back and do a 3. Okay? Let's do the last step in count. Then we'll do all these together. You're at this position. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Cool. Now, at the end, when you come at this position, you have to show some attitude because you have done a good job so far, and you close the track by doing a 1, give a push like 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay? You do a 1, 2, 3 and 4. Awesome. Let's do the step number 14, 15, 16 and 17 together in music, in counts. Come on, with me. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Awesome. Let's do this thing in music. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you have fun dancing, have a good time dancing. This was Dance the Hell Out with Monish.